Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox homepage not loading. First, let's perform some initial checks. Confirm your internet connection is active and stable. Try loading a few other websites, like a popular search engine, to verify your network functionality. Sometimes, a simple network hiccup or a weak Wi-Fi signal is the primary culprit, preventing the page from displaying correctly. A strong, consistent connection is essential for the Roblox homepage to load smoothly. Next, we will clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and look for the Privacy or History section. You will want to select options to clear browsing data, ensuring you choose cached images and files and cookies and other site data. This process typically takes less than 1 minute to complete, refreshing your browser's ability to load new content. Afterward, restart your browser and attempt to access the Roblox homepage again. Occasionally, the issue isn't on your end, but with Roblox's servers. It's crucial to check if Roblox is experiencing widespread outages or planned maintenance. Visit official Roblox social media accounts or reliable third-party status websites to confirm their server status. If there's an ongoing issue, patience is key, as these problems are usually resolved by the Roblox team within a few hours. This step helps distinguish between a personal technical issue and a broader platform problem. An outdated web browser or Roblox application can also be the source of loading failures. Always ensure you are running the latest version of your preferred browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If you use the Roblox desktop application, check for available updates within its settings or by reinstalling it. Software developers frequently release updates that contain critical bug fixes and performance enhancements. Keeping your software current often prevents many common technical glitches from occurring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.